you in the club?
Welcome back, guys. This is Amy Jo, and on today's episode, we are going to be decorating some Easter eggs. These are the supplies that we're going to need. We're going to use some glue, and we'll mix that with water, and then we will paint that on the surface of the eggs before we dip them in glitter. And I have added some surprises to the inside of our eggs. So after we decorate them, we'll let them dry, and then in another video, I'll open them. Let's start by mixing our glue and water together. So I'm not gonna add a ton of water, just a couple of sprays. And I'm just doing that to thin out our glue a little bit. I'm gonna mix that up. And we'll start with this little teeny tiny egg. Just gonna paint the glue and water mixture all around. And I transferred some of the glitter into a baggie, so I was thinking that this would be the least messy way to do this. And here is our first glittery egg. This time, instead of putting it in a baggie, let's just shake the glitter onto our egg and see how that works. This one is beautiful. Here's the peach egg with the hot pink glitter, and that is gorgeous. Okay, just a couple more. Let's do this beautiful turquoise color on the orange. So I kind of like using the baggie because it's not as messy, but wherever the egg, oh, actually the little one worked great. With the bigger ones, if the egg touches the bag before it has glitter on it, it takes the glue off the egg, but this one worked great. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, our last egg. Trying to think of what color glitter. I'm thinking maybe we'll do this one like all multicolor. Okay, here is how all of our beautiful glittery eggs turned out. And after they are dry, I will open them in another video. Make sure that you guys leave me a comment and tell me your favorite color. I think mine is, I don't know, I like the hot pinks and the blues and the purples. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching.
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews.
DCTC. And we play with with Play-Doh too.
Skits, pranks, eggs, and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.